What's going on, Larkin Motors fam? Welcome back to Larkin Motors TV. Today we're with the whole squad.
It's Larkin Motors.
Yeah, and we're headed to PALMER Motorsports Park in the Shelby. We got the F350 and we got Eric and him and his girl's car. We're headed to PALMER Motorsports Park for a charity event hosted by EMP Performance. So it's going to be a fun day filled with a lot of highway pulls, and hopefully we'll meet up with some cars on the way there and potentially do some races. But we're just gassing up, running a little late, and we're gonna hop back in the Shelby and get to the racetrack.
The boy trying to get the hit, we got to stay all sanitized and masked up, but Tommy boy wanted to try it real quick. What do you say, man?
Stop, just gonna get mad or waiting, but I've always wanted to try one of these, so we're gonna do it. We got two pulls.
Come on, man.
That was a good one.
You should do the kick, man. Do a kick or something. How many tries? How many tries you get?
I only had 2 tries. 767, I'll take it. All right, bud, you feeling a little lighter?
We out here. Tommy's still hitting like a little girl, but we'll see if the car can do it any better. I don't know, they might get a little rowdy coming out of here. Woo! God, man, that never gets old.
We just showed up to PALMER Motorsports Park, and shout out to EMP for the mask because I forgot mine, but we're just pulling down the road now. This place is absolutely massive. Behind us there's already some cool stuff pulling in, so I'm excited to see as the day goes on what shows up. Going into the friggin' members club.
What's up, man?
Looking for Ed, I'm guessing?
Yep.
Yeah.
He's right up there, yeah.
Alright.
Oh, is he the one parking back there?
How's it, man?
How we doing?
So, Rick,
So
let the white
you're gonna
car
go,
there.
I got a prime spot. See where that
Spectator to
mural
park
is?
up
The
there.
PALMER mural?
Okay. Yeah.
You're gonna back or go like diagonal right there. I got
Okay.
that whole spot for you.
All right,
Perfect.
cool.
Thank you.
I'm just gonna spin around right there.
Alright.
All right, guys, so we got the Shelby all parked in front of the PALMER Motorsports mural here. We're gonna go ahead and set up a table as well, get all the merch out. But shout out to the guys from EMP for giving us the prime parking here, so everybody can check out the Shelby. All right, guys, so we're in the Shelby and we're gonna go for a charity lap here, quote unquote charity lap. We can't do anything crazy, but I mean, going out on the racetrack, obviously we're gonna let her eat a little bit. All right, guys, so we're heading out of here. We had a great day, and it was awesome getting on the track. And we're with Ed here, who actually organized the whole thing from EMP Performance. You want to just kind of give a little info about what the event's all about and everything like that?
Of course. How's it going, guys? Eddie from EM Performance. Just having a grand old time here in Palmer, Massachusetts at Palmer Motorsports Park. And what we do each year is we do a big charity event for Wounded Warrior Project. And we have the track and we're able to do charity laps and a very big car show. And as you can see, it was a massive turnout. And I can't thank Larkin Motorsports enough for coming out and supporting us. And if you're in the area and you haven't been here yet, you gotta try this track out. It's amazing.
Yeah. And guys, you know, we have Larkin Motors Foundation and we're doing the raffle soon. So we're always in support of anything that's helping veterans, and you know, that's kind of why we came out here. It's a long drive, but it's worth it in support of everything, and it was a great turnout like he said, so we're happy to be a part of it. So thank you for inviting us out. Thanks for giving us the VIP treatment. We'll definitely be back next year.
Awesome, would love to have you.
All right.
Awesome, take care.
All right, guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like the video, subscribe, and head over to larkinmotorsfoundation.org and head over to EMP Performance and check him out. Thanks for watching Larkin Motors TV as always, and this is Larkin Motors signing out. Peace.